Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Now go to shortcuts and accessibility. Press on this. Scroll down. Go to accessibility. Now go to color and motion. Press on color inversion. If you want to enable dark mode, you just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to enable dark mode in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.